right, National Auto and Truck Museum, right next door. Let's see here. The thing that I really like about this museum is that it's really more of a warehouse, and I like this kind of raw aspect of it, and it's just all kinds of really random cars. There's no particular theme here other than it's vehicles. Look at this thing, early Hemi powered monstrosity. Look at this Packard. I mean, it's not really a Packard, but we'll call it a Packard. Really clean 95 Crown Vic. Very random. I like the old race cars. Those are always really cool to see old real race cars, not just, show pieces. I always can appreciate that. That Mustang does not belong here. That's pretty cool. Oh, this thing. Look at this. The 1953 Futureliner. Oh my goodness. Where are you going to find this? Seriously, look at this. This is a bizarre, one-of-a-kind piece. Check it out. It's got 4 tires in the front. I think the idea here was this was going to be like nuclear powered or something completely insane like that.
Took over the American living room. Television.
Oh. Wow. This may have been worth the trip right here. This bizarre vehicle may have been worth the trip, because that is just weird. Spare tire. Parade of Progress. No more parades of progress in America, that's for sure. There will be no more progress around here. See, this is super cool. Like, when do you get to see a car carrier that's just a really old car carrier? Never. Look at this. I mean, that's just so interesting that somebody kept one of these. That's so cool. With the really, imagine that being your sleeper cab. Can you imagine that tiny cab? Oh my goodness, that'd be rough. That's pretty cool. Old Rio truck. Very interesting collection of stuff in here. (1910) Prac Elkhart. Beautiful, just beautiful. We have the obligatory retro diner going on here. museum without a retro diner. It's kind of a rough crowd hanging out in there. Now this is quite the gas pump over here. It's pretty elaborate. Oh wow, they have a red DeLorean. You know how you make a red DeLorean? You get into an accident and nobody wants to buy replacement panels, so they Bondo it all together and then paint it red, and then they say they did it on purpose. That's how you get a red DeLorean. A collision repair DeLorean. That's quite the power wagon. With the Harbor Freight winch. Nice touch. I like it. Keep it budget friendly. I approve. Or this is an AMC? Or no, it's a Plymouth? I don't even know. I think it's a Plymouth. '74 Mercury Capri. Huh. That's another oddball vehicle during the gas crunch days of Ford Motor Company, where everybody was downsizing and trying to make stuff more fuel efficient. It's a nice Tornado. It's a nice color. Dark burgundy. That's nice. That's really sharp. That's a nice looking car. Ooh, Ford LTD wagon. Nice. 68 LTD wagon. Don't see many of those anymore. I don't think we saw many of them even when they were new. And a really clean Chevette being towed by this GMC motorhome monstrosity. That's a clean Country Squire right there. Yeah, very cool place. Very, very cool. These are surprisingly like in demand to this day because they're front wheel drive. This actually shared the drivetrain with the Toronado back in the day. It's pretty innovative design, really.